Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to make a payment on your Atlas reward credit card. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one. It's just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna need to do is to log into your Atlas account. You could choose to do so on the online banking platform, or you could choose to log in on the Atlas mobile app on your mobile device. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the credit card accounts that you want to make a payment on. Select that from the account dashboard, and then you're going to click on make a payment. And next you're going to enter the payment amount, payment date, as well as to choose the payment method. And then you're going to select the payment method. Could be a bank transfer or debit card or a check. Once that's done, just confirm the payment details and submit the payments. Now you're gonna need to review and verify the payment confirmation. Of course, that's gonna include the payment amount, date, as well as the payment method. Make sure all of that is accurate before you go ahead and submit that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make a payment on your Atlas reward credit card. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys